Corresponding question, if line voltage like this one, line voltage is given AB, that is 400 at the angle 0. Okay. Our motto, in a balanced star connected 3-phase generator, find the phase voltages, assume the phase sequence is, if phase sequence is ABC. First one, for ABC phase sequence. Now, I know that whatever I know that if AN this is equal to VP at the angle 0, and what about BN? BN is written as, that is VP at the angle minus 120, and CN, it is written as VP at the angle plus 120. Clear? RU written as minus 240. Clear? That is minus 120, and this one is a plus 120. This is the fundamental concept I have already discussed in balanced star connection. Okay. Now, our motto, what about V of AB? Corresponding to this one, AN minus VBN, AN minus VBN. I have already discussed VP at the angle, that is AN. What about minus BN? BN is minus BN. So this one is AB. AB is written as root 3 VP at the angle. This one is plus 30 degree. So written as plus 30, means plus 30 degree. Clear? AN is VP at the angle 0. And VCN is equal to VP at the angle plus 120. Clear? BN is also written as VP at the angle 0 into 1 at the angle minus 120. VP at the angle 0, that is AN minus 120. Similarly, VCN is also written as VP at the angle 0 into plus 120. So it is written as V of AN plus 120. Okay, means VBN is AN at the angle minus 120, also written as, and VCN is also written as V of AN at the angle plus 120. Clear? Now, corresponding to question, this one is written as 400. This will equal to root 3. First of all, we make also root 3 VP at the angle 0 into plus 30. This one is also, that is V of AN plus 30. Clear? So, what about V of AB? V of AB is 400 at the angle 0. So V of AN is written as 400 divided by root 3 at the angle minus 30 degree. So finally 231 at the angle minus 30 degree. Clear? Minus 30 degree. If any doubt, right now that is 0 divided by plus 30. So 400 divided by root 3, this value is approximate 230.94 something. So approximate 231. That's why written as 231. Okay, for simplicity, bold. Now AN is like this one. What about BN? BN is written as 231 at the angle minus 30, putting this value here, and 1 at the angle minus 150. So 231 at the angle minus 150. Okay. What about VCN? VCN is written as 231 at the angle minus 30 into 150. So finally we got 231 at the angle plus 90 degree. That is VCN. or another word you can say also written as 231 at the angle minus 30, and this angle is also 240. So clear? Also written as plus 90 degree. Clear? Clear? Now if V of AB is equal to 400 at the angle 0, so make that is V of AB 400 at the angle 0. What about V of AN? AN is 231 at the angle minus 30 degree, means like this one, that is V of AN 231 at the angle minus 30 degree. Clear? And what about BN? Like this one, this is minus 150, that is VBN, that is 231 at the angle minus 150, and VCN, that is VCN, it is written as 231 at the angle plus 90 or 231 at the angle minus 270, and here that is plus 90. Clear? Now corresponding question, that is balance voltages. So angle between phase A and phase B, that is 120. So if you see, that is minus 30, this angle minus 150 plus 30, that is minus 120. Clear? Now another way, this angle minus 270 minus plus 150, that is 270 plus 150, finally we got 120. Clear? So phase angle for balance voltage between phase voltage between BN and CN is minus 20. It is clear. Okay. First of all, make it. If phase line voltage like this one, then phase sequence ABC represent like this one. Okay. Make it. After that, we have discussed ACB sequence. If phase sequence is ACB. Okay. ACB means that is V of AN, C, that is VCN, and this one where is BN. Okay. Same VP at the angle 0. This is also written as VP at the angle minus 120, and that is VCN, VP at the angle plus 120. Clear? It means AN VP at the angle 0 degree, then BN is VP at the angle plus 120, and VCN this is equal to VP at the angle minus 120. Clear? If it is written in the terms of AN, so that is V of AN at the angle minus 120, and this is also written as V of AN at the angle plus 120. Clear? So in the terms of AN at the angle plus 120, and in the terms of in the terms of AN, that is minus 120. Clear? Now corresponding to question, it is given like this one, 400. It is not given what is the phase angle. It means, assume here phase angle is 0. That's why it is written as 0 reference. Clear? Now, what about corresponding to AB for fundamental? That is AN minus BN. That is AN and that is BN. BN like this one minus BN. Resultant of these two, that is V of AB. This will be equal to root 3 VP at the angle minus 30. This will be equal to root 3 VP at the angle minus 30. Or you can say that it is also written as root 3 VP at the angle 0 minus 30. So root 3 V of AN at the angle minus 30. Clear? That is V of AB. Now another way, AB is equal to root 3 V of AN at the angle minus 30. What about AN? V of AB. What about V of AB? That is 400 at the angle 0 divided by root 3 at the angle minus 30. So it is written as 231 at the angle plus 30 degree. It means AN is written as, if V of AB is like this one, then what about AN? Then AN is equal to 231 at the angle plus 30 degree. Clear? So what about BN? BN is equal to 231 at the angle plus 30 into 1 at the angle plus 120. It is written as 231. Clear? That is BN. What about VCN? 231. Sorry. First of all, make it. VCN is written as 231 at the angle plus 30 into 1 at the angle minus 9. 231 at the angle minus 90 degree. Make it first of all. After that we have discussed. According to question, your answer is completed. But again verify with the help of phasor. AN, if V of AB is written as like this one, if take reference like this one, then what about AN? AN is finally got like plus 30 degree, and BN is corresponding to BN, we got 231 at the angle plus 150 degree, and CN we got 231 at the angle, BN and CN. What about CN? CN is minus 90. Clear? Now make phasor. Verify with phasor. Line voltage is 400 at the angle 0 degree. That is, take reference corresponding to question. What about AN? AN represent like this one, 231 at the angle plus 30 degree. What about BN? 150 means like this one, 150. That is BN 231 at the angle plus 150, and VCN, that is minus 90, means represent like this one. VCN is 231 at the angle minus 90 degree. Clear? Now, if ABC are balanced, then phase angle between phase difference between AB or BC or AC are 120. So check it. 30, 90. Finally we got 180, sorry 120. Now here this one and this one, that is also 120. Okay, and this one is, and this one, that is also 120. Clear? So phase, with the help of phasor, if V of AB like this one, then AN, BN, CN represent like this one, corresponding to phase sequence. If a sequence is ACB, make it.